Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you an amazing, delicious hot cross buns recipe. This bun is soft, it is fluffy, it is packed full of flavor, and I do hope you guys try this one. It is worth it. Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and please share this video. All right, and you can also leave a comment and give a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the ingredients and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So we are going to add some milk and some water, our brown sugar, and some salt. These are our spices. We have cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger powder, clove powder, and allspice. The amount, as I mentioned, will be in the description box. Some vanilla extract, zested lemon, and orange, guys. Key ingredient here as well for me. We're gonna whisk that in, make sure everything really dissolve the sugar and the salt. So now we are going to add some raisins, which I'll pulse. The amount that I use will be in the description box. I went ahead and I proofed some yeast, so that is proofing. Melted butter and eggs, and there is the yeast, and we're gonna mix that in. Then go in with the flour. We're going to knead this until it forms a dough. You can also use a stand mixer, guys. You do not have to use your hands. But as I mentioned, I love to use my hands when I'm mixing flour as well. Okay, we're gonna knead this. Our dough is nice and soft. It's coming together beautifully. Then we are going to set this in a nice clean bowl until it doubles in size. So there it is. And it took about 35 minutes. So I'm kneading it again to get all the air out. Then I'm going to cut this in half so I can work with it. All right, we're going to form our bun here. And this is what it looks like. Perfect. I'm going to cover for about 20 to 25 minutes. And while that is covered, here I'm making the top. I add some flour and some water. We're going to whisk that until it is nice and smooth. And this is what we are going to actually put the cross on the buns with. So that is the kind of texture we're looking for. Then I'm going to pour that out into a plastic bag, and I'm using a Ziplock bag. I place that over a cup so it wouldn't be like all over the place. There it is, our tip, and we're going to take the tip off. And you're going to do exactly as what I'm doing here. Perfect, and we are going to bake until it is nice and golden brown. And while that is baking, we are going to make the sling. Now this is actually going to give the glossy look. Add some sugar and water, mix that until it dissolves, and this is what it looks like after baking. Then we're going to brush that sling right over the top. Now one trick you can also use after brushing the top with the sling, you can just add a little bit of butter as well, and this is perfect. I do hope you guys tried this recipe. This is absolutely amazing, guys. The flavor in this was just out of this world, man. You guys just have to try this one. It is soft, it is fluffy, just absolutely delicious. This is actually eaten with some cheese, or you can eat this however you want to eat this, okay? But usually it is eaten with cheese. Here it is, and we are going to dig in. So thanks again for spending the time with me today. If you guys are new to my channel, again, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. I appreciate you guys. See y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.